So I think when you're thinking about Minnesota lakes in the fall time frame, any walleye angler understands that throwing some type of live minnow is going to produce fish. And Tom and Sean are using a combination of shiners and small sucker minnows. And I've stayed predominantly with artificials and using one of my favorite tails of all time, the 4-inch gulp minnow right here. And one of the things that I wanted to cover that's so important with these gulp minnows, just because of the action that they provide and kind of the way that they fish, is to make sure that when you're hooking one of these up, that you're doing it where it's running perfectly straight out the back. So we're going in the nose, stringing it all the way up, and making sure when you bring that hook out that it is dead center in the back of that minnow. And you want to do that so you can see how straight that is right there. You want to do that because this is almost more like a little gliding plastic or artificial. You know, it's a little bit stiffer in the tail than some other plastics out there, so you're kind of just getting that glide. And if you run that hook straight through it, you're getting a nice straight glide. So 4-inch gulp minnow, phenomenal at pitching the weeds, phenomenal at vertical jigging and river systems. No matter how you use it, if you string it up right, you're going to catch a lot of walleyes.